Welcome! Today I want to introduce you to a truly unique form of hand embroidery, AIRE. It's intuitive, it's free, and it just might change the way you think about embroidery. Let's begin. AIRE is Spanish for in the air, a fitting name for a technique where your imagination takes the lead and threads flow over the fabric. The setup begins with a vintage Treadle sewing machine. Its transport system is disabled, the fabric is stretched in a hoop, and a nearly invisible thread is threaded through the needle. With one hand you move the hoop freely. With the other you guide the yarn, laying it down exactly where you want it to be secured. It's a dialogue between your hands, the machine, and your creative instinct. Just some pre-marked lines, no digital files. Only you, the thread, and the rhythm of making. I first discovered AIRE through Marco Jerez, a master embroiderer from Chile, and now a dear friend. In 2017 and 2018, I invited Marco to teach at my atelier. Those masterclasses were unforgettable. His motto? Discover what the machine and your hands can do, and soon you'll fly. That spirit of freedom inspires me. If you're curious to explore more techniques like this, you're warmly invited to join our Haute Couture embroidery group on Facebook, a space for inspiration, sharing, and encouragement. What I love most about AIRE is the creative flow, the ease with which you can translate an idea into texture, the softness, the movement. Each piece is one of a kind, an expression of your own hands, your own pace, and your own eye for beauty. It doesn't have to be perfect, it has to be yours. Whether you embroider by hand or with the help of a machine like this, I hope this video gives you a taste of what's possible. Create what you see, what you feel, what you long to bring into the world. And if you're ready to dive deeper, you'll find courses, community, and inspiration at Dutch Couture Academy. Thank you for watching. Now go and make something beautiful.